असली टैलेंट वो होता है जो भरे मैदान के बाहर सिक्सर मार सके।
मैं जितना बोलूँ वो कम है. Actually, the whole team UV Creations, when I was in Hyderabad, they took me as a part of their family, and we shot this film within 2 years. So every time that I would go there, Hyderabad actually became my second home. And me and my team, we would be so excited to go back to Hyderabad, especially because of the kind of जिस तरह का प्यार इन्होंने हमें दिया है. We felt like we were at home, absolutely at home. And we were like, looking forward to going to set every day, and so much kindness, so much love, so much kindness from everyone. And of course, to work with Prabhas, I mean, I don't know where to start. He is, everyone knows he is, of course, he's a huge superstar, but he has the most amazing heart. So me and my team, we were just like in awe of that. So yeah, we had a blast.
ऑल्सो हमने आपके सोशल मीडिया साइट जितने भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं वहाँ पर देखा है कि आप हैदराबादी खाने को कितना ज़्यादा प्यार दे रही थी वहाँ पे. सो उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि प्रभास क्या क्या उन्होंने किस किस डिश से आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया कि दिस इज स्पेशल और दिस लाइक दैट.
प्रभास एंड द होल टीम, यूवी क्रिएशंस टीम, एज आई सेड कि बिल्कुल घर जैसा माहौल बन गया था. तो आई थिंक दैट एवरीवन ऑन द यूनिट वाज सो हैप्पी बिकॉज इफ यू फीड पीपल राइट,
Right.
you work better, you feel better to come to set. And the best food I have ever had was on this set. And apart from the food also, as I said, there's so much respect that all of us got on the sets. So that was very, very, very valuable.
We'll just take one last question, right?
फिल्म की रिलीज को 3 बार बदला गया. मतलब
Sir, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much. Very much. Very much. That's why we did Saho Hindi. I dubbed my own voice. No, it depends upon you. You want me to stay or go?
Question to Prabhas. Are you all set to give a tough competition to the Khans here?
Thank you, ma'am. Can I leave?
Hi,
Man
Prabhas.
of few words, he's just killed it with this.
Prabhas, hi, this is Saurabh here.
Yeah, hi.
We have seen many action scenes in this film. Have
Yeah.
you gone through any injuries?
No, not really. I think this time it's like own production, so they took more care. So my friend's production, so they're like, no, that is risky. This is risky. So I think this time I didn't get much.
Hi, Prabhas.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, this is the last
Hi,
question.
Prabhas.
फिल्म की रिलीज 3 बार चेंज हुई. तो मतलब इसके पीछे क्या बड़ी हिंदी फिल्में आ रही थी, ये वजह थी, या फिल्म कुछ काम चल रहा था फिल्म का, ग्राफिक्स का या कुछ?
No, yeah. One is being a big production. So a lot of VFX post-production activities are there. So we want to give a quality product after working so hard. So we thought a couple of weeks doesn't really matter for the release. So we postponed.
Sir, this is Ravi Gupta from Filmy Fever.
Hello.
Sir, congratulations for the success of Bahubali.
Thank
and
you.
after that, I'm sure this is a blockbuster.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Also.
हिंदी के जो फैंस हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपके बढ़ चुके हैं.
Thank you, sir.
हमने आपकी आवाज़ सुनी है हिंदी में. लाइव हम सुनना चाहते हैं कुछ हिंदी के कुछ शब्द आपसे.
Sir,
What would you like
next
to
time,
say
sir.
something in Hindi?
Sir.
Some words for your fans, not fans, die-hard fans.
Oh, I can say fans die hard. Sir, Hindi next time, sir.
Sir, one more thing.
Jai
At this
Hind.
moment, sir, at this moment, a lot of Telugu fans are watching you live. कुछ तेलुगु में भी आप कुछ कहना चाहें fans को?
Love you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Saho
Thank you
and
so
this
much. Thank you.
amazing blockbuster that it's gonna be. And with this, wait.
मैं बस ये कहूँगी कि बहुत मेरी बॉडी बहुत दुख रही है बहुत ही और बहुत फिजिकली इंटेंस साल रहा है और स्ट्रीट डांस एक्चुअली अगले साल रिलीज़ हो रही है सो आई हैव सॉरी यस वी शॉट इट एंड तो ऐसा आई मीन फील हो रहा है कि थोड़ा सा आराम मिले पर अभी प्रमोशंस भी शुरू हो गए बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज बहुत ही बड़ी बात है कि आई गेट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अमेजिंग मूवीज़ एंड दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट मल्टीलिंगुअल फिल्म साहो एंड आई थिंक दैट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी सो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर वर्ल्ड साहो डे ऑन द 30th.
मेरा सवाल फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से है. मेरा सवाल फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से है कि जिस उम्र में असिस्टेंट बनते हैं उस उम्र में सुजीत डायरेक्टर बन गए फिल्म के, तो किस तरह से कैसे विश्वास किया उन पे इतनी बड़ी फिल्म ये झेल पाएंगे, बना पाएंगे?
The big film is not about the big name, but the time he has spent for the film that made the film big. I think he has dedicated 4 years of his time.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, this side. Good evening, everyone. This is Shubhajit from IWM Buzz. Prabhas sir, and your left, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. First of all, many congratulations for Bahubali. And my first question is to you. That everybody knows that Bahubali was such a big hit. So do you think that Saho is going to follow up that?
No, that's Bahubali is different. It made history. So this we just want to entertain this audience who watched Bahubali and my fans. Just trying that there's nothing compared to Bahubali.
Prabhas, just like you said that you have given 2 years to Saho and before that 5 years to Bahubali. So whenever a film comes to you, what's that thing in your mind that you decide to dedicate a part of your life to just one film? You just stick to one film and you're wholeheartedly dedicated to it. What's the reason behind it?
Yeah, actually, I don't want to do 2 years for this film. I don't want to give because I already gave 4 years for Bahubali. But the action sequences and all we need a lot of preparation and all. So almost some action scenes they were working for almost. Sorry. Yeah, so that for the preparation and all we need to do a lot of rehearsals for this. It's all again after Bahubali, so I need to support the director and the producers who spent too much. My friends, I don't like that, but still. So I need to support that. But I started another film. We shot 20 days. So I hope from after this I will do 2 films here. Hope so.